What's up, folks? Joey Image here with another unboxing video for you. Today I've got I've actually reviewed one of these before quite a while ago, a couple of years ago, I think. It is one of those multi-port charging stations. You kind of sit it down and it's got 5 or 6 little slots to put your devices in. I am going to actually open this up and lay it all out for you so you can see it, in full. The cool thing about this one is that it comes with all the charging cables. So the one that I reviewed a couple of years ago, I think, was a Hitachi model. And again, it was just the base itself with the built-in slots. You plug it in and it's got, I think it had 6 or 7 USBs on it, and you supply your own cable. This one, from what I understand, and again, obviously it's not open yet, but from what I understand, this one has removable slots. So you can actually put in like slats, I guess they're called, into each slot. To make your own little slots. I don't know, for lack of a better term, but you know what I'm saying. We'll get to that when I open up for you. This has been provided by, the company's name is OthoKing right there. This is made in China. There you go. It's OthoKing support at foxmail.com. This is a made in China item. So I'm going to actually open this up and lay it all out for you on the desk here so you can see it all in full. And then I will be right back to continue the video. So stick around. All right, so here we go. You can see everything here in, in full and plain view, whatever. Here's the box. Here's the actual charger itself. So these little, I call them slats because it reminds you of like slats of stone, but they call them baffles. Like, oh my God, I'm baffled. Yeah. So these are all the baffles right here for each slot here. These are all the cables. It comes with, let me see, 1 micro USB, 1 USB Type-C, and 3 lightning cables, which is very cool for me because I am an Apple guy. And of course the power cables over here and the instruction booklet. I'm not going to demonstrate because I don't want to waste these, but these are basically, I don't even know if you can see it. There you go. You can see the little slits right there for, so these can be removed individually. They're basically adhesive, like double sticky adhesive. So if one of these baffles is kind of loose when you put it in, which it shouldn't be, obviously, but sometimes if you got to kind of jam it in there like that for it to kind of stick all the way, and now it's nice and secure. But if for whatever reason you can't get it in all the way and you just use it kind of like this and it's a little bit wobbly, you could take this adhesive right here, stick it to the bottom, and then kind of slam it in there, and it will stick to the inside of this, which will hold it steady and hold it sturdy and what's the word? You know what I'm saying? Solid. So first of all, here's the actual base of the unit. So you've got 1, 2 right there. These are USB 2.0s, and there's USB Type-C. Oops, sorry. There you go. So 1 and 1, or I should say, first one and second one are 1.0. The second is 2.4, which I believe is the amperage, and then USB Type-C is the red one. Here's the bottom of it. It's got the 4 rubber feet on there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are good there. There's the little label. You need, and come on, focus. Daniel, son, focus. There we go. Look at that. It actually worked. 1, 2.4, 1, 3.0, blah, blah, blah. You get the point. You get the point. So actually, it's very kind of sturdy. I like it. You can feel that it's, feel how heavy that is? I do. Kind of heavy. I like that. Power outlet in the back, obviously. Ventilation on the sides, both sides. There you go. And then, of course, the USBs in the front. So, basically, the idea is, and again, like I said, the other one of these that I have has just got the 4, 5 or 6, whatever it is, the baffles already installed. They don't come out. They're not removable. These are not only removable, but the fact that they're removable makes this whole thing customizable. So if I only want to put in, like, say, 2, I could just put in, like 2. So, like, there we go. Maybe I only have 1 phone. Where's my my iPhone? Here we go. So say I've only got 1 phone, and I just want to only put my phone in here for charging. You get the point. This thing doesn't go away. That's it. I only need 1. If I want to put in or I should say I only need 2 to make that little spot right there for that guy. If I want to put in another one, I put in one more. Now I got a slot there. Now I got another iPhone. Here's my broken iPhone 5S. Now I got that in there, and I can put that in as well. Same time. Here's another iPhone 5S that I have. Pop in another baffle here. There you go. 3 devices in there all at the same time so far. You get the idea. You get the point. But the cool thing about all these things is that not only are they for this purpose, but there's also a super thin one you can see right here. Not thin, I should say short. Shorter than the others, clearly. So let me take these out for a second. That one I can't get out. Can't take it out. There we go. All right. So if I want to take those out, and I can just put in one, say here, and then I put one right behind it. Come on, bro. And I can, of course, maybe I can bring up a YouTube video or something on my phone here for 1 second. And basically, you can just watch a video. So here's the idea. You take all this stuff. There you go. You put in the shorter baffle. And you can, oh, that's the glare of the ring light back there. My little ring light I've got up here. But anyway, you get the point. I will kind of move this out of the way. You know, whatever, you're going to get a glare, you're going to get a reflection. But you get the idea. So you can put it in here, sort of like a mount or a, I guess, yeah, mount would be the best word for that, just to watch full screen video and stuff if you want. Also, you can do it this way for video calling, you know, FaceTime or Skype or Facebook Messenger video calls, whatever you want to use, you can do it that way as well. I know you can't see the top of the screen right there, but you get the idea. There you go. All right. One more time, just for accuracy. So there you go. So it's kind of cool. I really like this little short one in the front there. That's a really, really cool idea. Definitely an innovative idea that I haven't seen on other types of this charging base right here. So again, let me just say that this thing comes with all the cables, basically, that you'll need. And I like the fact that they're short cables because, as I said, the other one, I'm going to take this one out and just plug this in just so I can show you how it charges. The other, like I said, the other unit that I have did not come with its own cables. I had to buy them on Amazon, and it was not hard to find the shorter cables, but it was just annoying that I had the device and could not necessarily use it right out of the box with the short cables. I would have to use my own, obviously the longer cables, which is kind of whatever. So it's, you know, it works, but it was just annoying. I would much rather have had the shorter cables. So there you go. You can see this is charging now. Come on, bro. Oh, it's not charging actually because I'm an idiot. Because this isn't plugged in. Because I'm dumb and I forgot to plug it in. But you get the idea. Plugs in like that. Charges the phone. You're all set. Everything is cool. And again, five devices at the same time can be charged. These taller baffles, again, I mean, you can use these for a tablet as well. They are tall enough to support a tablet with the size and the weight of it, which, I mean, they're not, you know, they don't weigh anything nowadays, but I mean, you get the point. So I really, like I said, I really dig the, I dig this product much more than the other one that I had. One more thing I want to mention though before I go is that also the fact that, let me just take this out, let me take this out. The fact that these baffles are removable means also if I had an iPad, say I had the 500-inch or whatever, 75-inch iPad Pro with the case on it, or if I had one of those thicker cases on it that also has the keyboard in it and, you know, whatever else, I can also just separate these like this. Instead of putting them right next to each other, I can always skip this slot right here and go to this one. So now I've got a wider space here to hold my iPad. So I can hold an iPad with a thicker case. If I have, you know, 3 bottles of beer I want to hold next to each other, and I want to put them in here, well, I put maybe 2 bottles, I put them right there. So now I've got all this space right here for my beer bottles. So that's like, for me, that's the selling point of this product, is the fact that I can take these baffles out, put them wherever I want. I can put them right in the middle if I want. You know, I want my phone to be right in the middle when nobody else's phone is there, because mine should be the center of attention, and there you go, and blah, blah, blah. So you get the idea. Pay for the horde. So you get the idea. Very cool product. Again, two big selling points for me. The fact that these are removable and I can put them anywhere I want to accommodate any type of thickness on any kind of device. Again, put it there, put it there, put it there, whatever. And the fact that it comes with all the cables needed. And it's got USB-C, which doesn't help me out. I don't have a USB-C device yet. If I ever will, who knows. But it comes with all these cables, so I dig that a lot. Stay tuned to the end of this video. I will have close-up photos of all the parts of this, separately, individually, whatever. We'll figure it out. But anyway, I appreciate everybody watching. If you would please check me out on YouTube. Obviously, you're on YouTube now. YouTube.com/JoeyImage. Twitch.tv/JoeyImage. Twitter @JoeyImage. Facebook.com/RealJoeyImage. Instagram.com/RealJoeyImage. I think I said this one already. Twitch.tv/JoeyImage. That's probably my most important source of revenue at the moment. As well as ProWrestlingTees.com/JoeyImage. I may possibly be having starting a Patreon campaign soon. I'm not really sure yet. Not kind of sold on the idea. I'm not done configuring it. It's really confusing. Anyway, so check out the bamboo charging station. Again, photos at the end of the video. There is the company name, the company business card, once again, OthoKing. So, again, check me out on all platforms. Please email me. Send me your hate mail. Everyone hates me. Tell me about it. JoeyImage@gmail.com. I appreciate y'all watching. Have a happy new year, and I'll see you in my next video.